Bat.
I have a new bat. A bat flies at night.
Fly.
A fly is on the table. Birds fly in the sky.
Light.
He turns on the light. This bag is very light. Sharp. This knife is very sharp. She has a sharp mind. Date. What's the date today? I ate a date for breakfast.
Tap.
He turns on the tap. I tap the email to open it.
Bank.
I deposit money in the bank. Ducks sit on the riverbank.
Palm.
He holds a coin in his palm. He rests under a palm tree.
Mine. This book is mine. He owns a gold mine.
Bark.
The dog barks loudly. The tree's bark is rough. Slip. He slips on the wet floor. He keeps a slip for the bill. Bear. A bear lives in the forest. I can't bear this pain.
Trip.
She plans a trip to the beach. She trips on the stairs. Jam. I love homemade jam. He gets stuck in a long jam. Well. The well is deep. She cooks very well. Bow. He wears a bow on his shirt. He bows to the audience. Right. He gives the right answer. The shop is on your right. Cap. He wears a red cap. He removes the cap from the pen. Watch. He buys a smartwatch. She watches the children play. Fan. He turns on the fan. He is a big fan of cricket. Bolt. Tighten the bolt on the door. A bolt of lightning strikes the tree. Nail. The carpenter uses a strong nail. She paints her nails pink.
Lap.
The cat sits on his lap. He finishes the lap quickly. Close. He closes the door. The library is close to my house.
Mark.
He sees a mark on the wall. He gets high marks in math.
Match.
He lights a candle with a match. He plays a tennis match today. Chest. He touches his chest in pain. He opens the wooden chest.
Spring.
Spring brings beautiful flowers. He presses the spring in his pen. Train. The train arrives on time. He trains every day for the race. Seal. The official seals the document. The seal swims in the ocean. Iron. The iron gets too hot. The gate is made of iron. Flat. He lives in a small flat. He buys a flat-screen TV. Ring. She loses her favorite ring. She rings the doorbell. Head. He feels pain in his head. He heads home after work. Can. The can is full of juice. He can lift heavy weights.
Fire.
The fire burns all night. The soldier fires his gun. Sink. He fills the sink with water. The boat sinks in the river. Park. He plays football in the park. He parks his car in the garage.
Stick.
He picks up a long stick. The gun sticks to the table.
Tire.
The tire is flat. He tires after work. Letter. He folds the letter neatly. He learns a new letter in class. Wave. The big wave hits the shore. She waves at her friend.